Wind the gap between the train and the platform.
Right guys, what is up? It's your boy Adam and I'm back with a new one today. And today, from the title as you can see already, we have the Nike Off-White Zoom Flies, and they're released today the 28th of November. And yes, this, my initial opinion, this I would just say, well, I think they are alright, they are lit. It's just a very casual crepe that you just can wear with only like track suits and or track pants or whatever, not never with jeans. If I ever see anyone with jeans, I probably would just laugh because I don't understand what you will be doing. Anyways, let's just head on into the review just to look at the details. I'm gonna keep this as short as possible because I don't think there's a lot to say about this trainer here, but yeah, let's just get into it. So right, looking at the trainer itself, it is transparent, so you can see through. Well, you do know the meaning of transparent, I would be guessing. And yeah, it does have this foam technology with, you know, Virgil stating the obvious, saying putting foam in quotation marks and whatever not, but I guess it is helpful as well just to educate people who might not know. But the sole is quite weird. I haven't tried it on anyway, so I don't know how it feels, but just the way it's shaped, it's got this kind of, it dips down and goes up. It's just, it's a big platform, I would say, just compared to what I normally wear. But I'm gonna see how it feels. It should, because of the foam technology, I would say it feels comfortable, but I'm gonna know, and I would explain that once I try it on for the on-feet review that you're gonna see shortly. But right, just what I would advise if you was to buy this trainers, or if you do own this trainers, whenever you're wearing it, just try and get some lit socks, like some Gucci socks, or just something with, it doesn't have to be Gucci, it could be Bape, it could be anything that's got a design, just so it makes it more interesting when, you know, putting this on. For today I don't have that, but I'm therefore keeping these until I can, you know, purchase one for myself, and then that's I feel like it would work out that way because it is transparent at the end of the day. Anyways, it's just the details, you know, it says the Zoom Fly, you know, the usual Off-White Nike, Off-White for Nike, Nike Zoom Fly, Beaverton, Oregon, USA, copyrights 2017. And yes, it does come with an extra laces though, white lace, just in case you want to like switch this up to white or wear black and white or whatever you really fancy, to be real. And then it does have this, the usual Off-White, what do we call this, the clip, or I don't know what this is called, but yeah, it has a blue one to this one as well. So yeah, really and truly, that's about it for this shoe. There's nothing too crazy. It's got the usual, obviously it's got the Nike logo. It's just stitched onto this funny looking material. I don't know, I feel like this, I don't know if this is waterproof. Like, I'm not sure if this is waterproof, so I might have to test that for myself, but not in this video because it is quite cold outside. So I'm definitely not trying to get myself wet and just catch a cold or whatever not. But yeah, I'm rambling on, I'm talking too much. Let's just head into the B-roll so you can get a closer look of this, and then the on-feet review, see how it looks on feet as well. This is my style anyways and whatever not. But yeah, if you're enjoying this video, just make sure to leave a like and whatnot, and let's just head on into that. Sweet. Right guys, I hope you did enjoy what I put together for you. My final opinion on these trainers, I would say I'm really disappointed in terms of, like, I don't like the way it feels when you're walking on these. Like, you see what I was talking about with the sole in the just earlier on, I would say it's very annoying, the fact that it actually works that way. Like, when you're walking, it goes like the dips in the, it feels weird. Like, I don't like it, it's very uncomfortable for me. And also if you are copying these, or if you have copied already, I would advise you go switch it up and get a size up, a full size up, because I was advised to get half a size up that it runs small, but it runs very small. So you need a full size up, because mine, I can see my toes poking out and whatnot, so I had to make my little brother wear his pair so I could film my on feet review and whatnot, because he did go a full size up and I went half a size up because that's what I was advised and whatnot. But yeah, that's basically the negatives about this shoe. So it does look nice though with a tracksuit, I would say, but it's just very annoying that I can't keep these and whatnot. So with that being said, I guess that's the end of the video, and if you did enjoy this video, I suggest you like it. It just kind of lets me know what's what and what's not. And also, if you're new to this channel, I say you subscribe if you actually did find this content enjoyable and whatnot, and watch the rest of the videos that I got out. And yeah, I guess that's about it. And also, give me your actual opinion on these shoes, like if you do own them, or if you just watch the video and seen pictures online. Just give me your opinions of the shoes in the comment down below. I'll be sure to reply as usual. So yeah, with that being said, yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.